Okay. Hello, guys. Good evening. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? What's our last class? What's our last class? We have seen Java package, how to create project, and the print statement, the main method, and all the terminology, whatever there, right? Let me open the syllabus. Okay. Introduction to Java, basic concept. Okay. Naming conventions, Eclipse introduction. Okay. So these things are completed. Okay. Well, let me open my Eclipse. It is taking some few seconds to open. So, how's yesterday's class? Is it clear for everyone? Any doubts? Hope you understand clearly everything, each and every pin to pin, as I'm explaining in detail. Right? Am I right? Right, guys? So, you guys are able to see my screen. Yes, it's open. Eclipse open. So now done with Java first program. Is there any doubts here? Okay. So I'll create one more program by creating new class. Okay. Now Java installation. We are done with that. 11 Eclipse done. Now JRE system library. What is that? It is a collection of Java jar files. Now, Java package. What is Java package? Collection of Java package, right? What is that? Jar files. Jar files. It is a collection of Java packages. Can you come and check here? Java jar files. Where is jar files? J collection of Java package. Can you see here? Jar files. Okay. Just expand this packages. Can you able to see here the symbol, guys? So it is a JRA is nothing but collection of jar files. What is jar files? Jar files is a collection of Java packages. Okay. Capture, if you want to take screenshot, you can take it. Okay. So under Java project, there is a JIRA system library that will be mentioned here along with Java version, whatever you downloaded. Now coming to jar files. What is jar files? It is a collection of Java packages. How can you identify whether it is a package or not? You can see here the symbol icon. Okay. Now, what is a package? Package is a collection of class file. Can you able to see here? Dot class. Okay. That's it. Collection of class file. What is package? It is a collection of class file. Clear about JIRA files, JIRA system library package, right? Clear, guys? So if anyone asks you what is JIRA system library, so it is a collection of Java files, and each and JIRA files having that collection of Java package. Inside the Java package, it is having that multiple collections of class. Okay, so these are the terminology you need to remember just for your understanding. Okay, if anyone asks you, someone if I come and ask you, then you need to answer like this. Clear, guys? Okay. Okay. Now, guys, when you dial your dot number, your mother or father number, then it suppose that particular mobile number need to be dialed, right? What is happening in that backend mechanism? That is a inside process, which is actually you are not aware of that. Just you are simply okay. You selected your father number and you dialed. Now your father number will your mobile mobile will get ring. Okay. So instead of that, if someone mobile ring irrespective of this mobile number which is you selected, then it will be the wrong process. That means there is a something happen in backend as per expectations. It is not as per expectation. Actually, you selected your father number, but you are expecting something and it is actual something. Okay. So now coming to here, why I'm giving this simple example, not only that, As you know that our test cases actual and expected, the same kind here. JRE, Java Runtime Environment, JVM, Virtual Machine, JDK. Okay, so whenever you downloaded Java, it will be like JDK. Can you able to see here? Where is Java? This is Java JDK. Okay, inside JDK there are installation stuff. Everything will be here. Okay, if you are talking about Java program, how to create a class and what are the mechanism of class, or how to write perfect program by using classes. All these things are very, very simple. It is not a rocket science, but is important. Please be listen carefully and be focused here. Okay. So these things are clear, guys. Now project, package, and class. Okay. Under class, if we want to create new class, we'll go and create here. Okay. Now how is the main method is coming? By default it is showing that. Okay, if it is not showing, then you can enter. Okay, okay sir, we are working with the Eclipse is very smart. By default it is giving that main method and print statement. If I am working with some online editors, then how? Then the time you need to enter manually public. Okay, I'll create one class without selecting test. Okay, I'm creating one class file, guys. Now main method, this is a public static void main. This is a syntax for main method. Here I'm not selecting this one. Okay, I'll go and I'll create without selecting the main method. Let's see here what is happening. Okay, now coming to test, this is a class. I have created a class with the name of test. Okay, now let's observe here, guys. What is the differences between Java first Java program and a test? So this is a first Java program here. Forget about all these things. I'll remove for some time. Okay, now what is the differences between here and here? Nothing. So here main method is there. In this there is no main method. Why? By default, if you want to get the main method, you need to select main method while you are creating a class. That's it. That's it. That's it, guys. Okay. Now coming to print statement. This is a main method. You can go on create main method. Okay, okay guys, main method. What is the use of main method here? I will tell you. Okay, so guys listen, always Java program will start execute from main method. Okay. Uh, Always Java program start execute from uh, main method. Okay, and execute from top to bottom. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, so guys, listen here. Java program always will start execute from top to bottom. Okay, so this is a statement top to bottom. Okay, let's check it. Can we verify that whether it is executing from top to bottom or bottom to top? Okay, I'll write here. Okay, now coming to here, test. Sys out. Yay. Okay, let's execute this one program. Yes. Now A is printing here, right? Right? Okay. Now coming to here, B, and I'll give and C. Okay, guys. Let's go and execute. Yay, yes, yes. ABCD it is printing here, guys. Guys, observe here the order of output console. This is the console output. Can you able to see here that output here? What is the first I am asking here printing? What is the first print statement? A. Okay. A is in first place. And after that, what is the second print statement? B. And what is the third print statement here? C. Right? So that means it is executing from top to bottom. Whatever the order are given here, that the same order it is printing here. That's a that's it. That's it only, guys. Right? Okay, so that means always Java program will start execute from top to bottom approach. Right? Please remember this one. It will start execute from main method. Okay, if anything you want to print and execute, the main method is a mandatory. To execute Java program, you need to give a main method. So that's a mandatory thing you need to remember. Okay, now to print anything in Java, we will use system.out.println statement. This is a print statement you need to remember, guys. Why it is means to print anything you need to give this statement with the parenthesis system.out.println. What is the shortcut for system.out.println? This is a shortcut. Okay, print statement to write print statement in shortcut. Okay, just you can write sys sys o sys is o and just press control plus space. That's it. Then you will get automatically print statement. Right, guys. Now we have two extensions in Java. Okay, Now what are that? Dot Java and dot class. Dot Java. Okay. Dot extensions files. That means if you can see that Java files, can you able to see here class file? Class file having the dot class. We are creating the dot Java file. Dot Java. So this is a each and Java file. For each and every Java file, there is a dot class file. For every Java file, you will have corresponding class file. Okay, okay. For each and every Java file, there will be a corresponding class file. How can you say that? Just you can observe here dot Java. If it is a dot Java, okay, then will be the Java file. Okay, just once again. Okay, now class class file. Guys, are you there with me? Can you hear me? Okay, can you see here class file? Class. So this is a class file. Capture this one, guys. Capture this notes. Okay. Now, couple of things let me complete here also. In a single Java class, we can create multiple methods, right? Multiple methods. You know that class, and I'll explain the methods. You know that main method only. How to create methods going forward, you will understand. Every day we will create a lot of variables, data types, global variable, local variable methods. Okay, that you will understand easily. Now, if the program the program in star mark. If program indicating like star mark, if it is showing like this, then what is that meaning? If the program is showing star mark, showing, let me write star mark, showing, okay, that means program was, our program is not saved, right? Right, saved it. Clear, guys? Good. So these are the things while you are going for programs, just basic things. Okay, so shall we go for another program? Okay, okay, good. We have a Java features, guys, that I will take separate session. It will take some time. Okay, so if I can start here, it may not complete the well, Java features, JVM, source file, Java compiler, everything. Okay, so today I'll write small programs very easily. Class. Okay, I'll take variable one. Okay, okay. So guys, as of now, these things are clear. What is the package here? Public class name. This is the package. Okay, main method by default you will get to print anything. You need to write a main method. So you know that print statement, right? Okay. So this is clear. Coming to here, int a is equal to 10. Int b is equal to 20. Okay. Now sys out a, sys out b. Clear, guys? Let's check it. Right? A b value is declared a and 20 here only. Okay. Why it is printing that I will explain you now. Listen here. What is a class area? What is a method area? That you need to understand. Then you will understand local variable or global variable. There are types in local variable and global variable. Okay. Now coming to, where is a class area? This is a class name, right? Variable 1 with the name of variable. Forget about these things. You may get some confusion. No. Int is a data type. Okay. This one also forget about that as of now. Okay. What is int? What is a? What is equal? What is 10 and semicolon? Semicolon. For anything you need to complete end of statement, we will use a semicolon. That you will know. You know that. You understand. Okay. Just I am trying to explain what is a local variable and global variable. Okay. Local variable. This is a local variable. Guys, how it is a local variable? This is also local variable. Now coming to within the method area, if you are passing variable within the method area, that will be considered as a local variable, right? How can you say that? Where is a method? Where is a method? This is a method. Method main. Can you able to see here the main method we have created here? Method area. Where is method area? This is a method area. How can you say that? How can you identify that? We opened here curly braces and closed here. So this is a corresponding symbol. This is a method area. So that's the reason we can say it is local variable. Okay. Instead of writing here, if we can write or if we can pause here, then what is that? I'll remove this one. It is global variable. Global variable. Why it is a global variable means it is out of method area. Out of method area. Okay. It is out of method area and within the class area. Where is a class, guys? Where is a class? This is a class. What is the class name here? Variable 1. Okay. It started in third line. Third line. Can you see here? Guys, hope you are getting. Class name variable 1. Class started at third line. Okay. And where it is ending? 13th line. Right? So it is ending at 13th line. So that means the variable whatever we created here, that is in within the class body or class area. I'll write here. If the variable is in class body and out of method body will be considered as a global variable, right? Now, what is a local variable? That also I will explain. Method. If the variable is in method body, will be considered as a local variable. Is that clear, guys? Clear? Local variable and global variable. It's very simple to identify that. If in case it is in method, we can say b is equal some 100. It is local variable. That's it. Capture this one, guys. Okay, done. Okay, we have an execution flow of Java program. Okay, that I will explain you. Class file, class loader, bytecode, interpreter, Java runtime, OS, output, what is interpreted, everything. That I'll take a separate class. Okay. So there's one more thing I'd like to update here. So from Monday onwards, I'll start Selenium topics for previous students. That means not for you. For last batch, those who are completed manual testing and Java, they can attend from Monday onwards morning. The timings will I will update you in WhatsApp group. Mostly it will be around 7 to 8 or 8 to 9. That I will let you know. Okay. Okay now. Is that okay, guys? Morning will take Selenium. Evening 9 p.m. I will take Java. For Selenium, mostly it will take maximum 10 days or 2 weeks. We can say 2 weeks. This is a Selenium. Okay. And current ongoing batch for you all, you need to understand Java concepts. All these Java concepts. Once you're done with the Java, then we'll jump to Selenium. Okay. So there are few students those are already completed Java and manual. they can attend Selenium. Still, if you wish to attend Selenium, you can open. You can feel free to attend Selenium. If you can understand anything, that's absolutely fine. If you are not able to understand it, that's also fine. No worry. Okay. So as I promised in my demo sessions, you can join any batch anytime. That means repeaters without any single roping. For repeaters, you can join any batch. Okay. If you have any doubts or if you wish to clarify anything, whatever that. Okay. So, and one more thing, guys, please complete all your remaining dues. Those who are paid half amount, okay, or less than half amount, or more than half amount, whatever that, and complete all your training fee. It's almost 1 month. It's completed. They started batch. Okay, please complete your training fees. Mm, just 5 minutes, guys. Roughly, I will give you here. And of course, tomorrow also I will explain. JDK and JVM. Inside JDK, there will be a JRE, and it will be JDK. JDK, JRE, and JVM. You know that JDK, Java Development Kit, Java Runtime Environment, a System Library Files, and JVM. What is JDK will happen in JDK? JDK, Java Development Kit. It contains Java compiler. Guys, this is the developer level, okay? But for your understanding, I'd like to explain. As a automation test engineer, you may not required or needed, and it is not necessary, but to understand what is Java, what is happening, all these things, you need to understand. No, it contains Java compiler, which is responsible to compile the source code. What is source code? I'll tell you, don't worry. Into bytecode. Source code into bytecode. This is the Java development kit. Right, guys? Java development kit. Now, JRE inside JDK, there is JRE. This is a JRE. Now, what will be here? It is a folder structure, contains JVM. You don't know that what is happening in the back end inside the architecture. Okay, just I'm trying to give that. Contains JVM. Now, inside JRA, There is a JVM. This is a JVM. This is JVM. It runs the program actually by the help of OS. That's it. What is OS? Operating system that you know already in the system everyone are using in the mobiles and apps. Okay. So with the help of OS, JVM will run the program. So that this is about architecture. Right guys? Capture this one if you want, you can take screenshot. Okay. So I'll stop here. In detail, I will explain the execution flow of Java program tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So you have doubts? You can unmute yourself. You can raise your hand. I will unmute yourself and I will answer your doubts. Ramkrishna asking something and okay. Ninth line. Okay. Because it is showing some yellow line, that means some error here because it is not used anywhere. The value of local variable b is not used anywhere. That means we are not printing anywhere. Just we paused here only. That's it. That's the reason. See, so we can write like this. Yes. Okay. Tell me someone is raise hand. Yeah, screenshot I will share in WhatsApp group. That Selenium class I will let you know, guys. Maybe after 9, whether it is possible for me or not. Mostly I'll take early morning hours. After 9, I'm not sure, but I'll let you know tomorrow. Maximum it will take 2 weeks. Maximum within the 2 weeks, I'll complete. Of course, within 4 hours, 7 hours also we can complete, but I don't want to give in a hurry. As I'm explaining you in detail, pin to pins, that's the same flow. I will explain entire your training session, everything. Selenium after Selenium, there are few things here. In addition to that, we need to learn frameworks, automation frameworks, page objective model, TestNG, BDD, all these things. Okay, once you are done with the Selenium, after that we'll go for automation frameworks. So these are all tools. Maybe I'm not sure whether you will use in your project, but it is recommended to learn about Jenkins. What is Jenkins? It is a CI/CD tools for automation runs. What is a Git? Git core version tool, Selenium grid, parallel, Maven, build a dependency, all these things. It is recommended to learn, guys. Okay, so hope you are clear with that. If any doubts, you can stay here, and if you don't have anything, you can leave a session. We'll meet again in next class. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Bye.